Are you guys ready to go? Oh my god, we need to clean up. Stay! You're excited, guys. So the park is all the way there. This is inside the base. And this is the playground here. So okay, ready? Are you? Oh, not yet. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Good girl. Now drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop the ball. Drop it. Drop the ball. No, drop the ball. Good girl. Okay. No. Okay, guys. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yan yung laro ni Aria. Ibabalik niya yung ball. Ayan. Good girl! Good girl! Now drop the ball. Now drop the ball. Drop the ball. Here, drop the ball. Girl, drop the ball. No, drop the ball. Drop the ball. Thank you. Okay. Layla! Go get it. Go get it. Si Layla, pupunta yun doon. Okay. Good job. Now drop the ball again. Drop the ball again. Now drop the ball again. Drop it. Thank you. Ready? Another one? Si Layla mag-escape na naman yan, oh. Mabuti nakasarado yata ito. Kasarado yung fence. Talagang matigas ang ulo ng matandang yan. So anyway guys, dito ako sa loob ng base. Ayan, ito yung this is the dog park. Dito yung pwede mo patakbon yung aso. And then on the other side is the playground for kids. Layla! Talaga yung asong yan. She tried to escape and go to the other side. Buti nakasarado. Come on! Hurry! Yahoo! Drop it! Drop! Drop it! Drop, 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 drop! Drop the ball! Drop the ball! Thank you, girl. Sit! Sit! Oreo, sit! I said drop the ball! Sit! Good girl. Stay. Okay, stay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Did you find it? Binabantayan niya rin si Layla kasi si Layla mag-escape yan eh. Mabuti nakasarado. Come back! Oreo! Wow! Come here! Leave Layla alone. It's okay. Don't go that way. Okay? Thank you, girl. Sit. Sit. It's okay. Don't worry about Layla. She's not coming out. Okay. Go sit down. Sit. Oh, stay. Good girl. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Good job. You got good exercise, Oreo. Good exercise, girl. Okay. Where's Layla? Where's Layla? Okay, she's come back. Okay, another one. Enjoy talaga ni Oreo. This is her favorite toys. Ito yung favorite toys niya, guys. Yan. I think siguro paliguan ko to sila. Yay. Mamaya. You're wet now, Oreo. Look at you. Look at you. Hi, Layla. Come here, Oldie. Oh my God, Oldie. Oh, she's 11 years old. Oh my God. Oh, you want to play too? Layla, you want to play? Ooh, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Drop it, love. Let me see this. Okay. Go. Go. Ready? Oh, don't get it. Woo! Where'd it go? You lost it? Hi, Layla. Come on, Layla. Did you lost it? Did you find? Hi, Oldie. Come on. Come on. Come on, Oldie. Did you find it? Did you find? It's a good exercise, guys. Okay. Oldie. Woo! Good job. Not yet. So, guys, we're home na, guys. Andito na yung mga aso ko sa bahay, pati ako. So, it's breakfast time, guys. Yan. So, since low carb diet ako, I have this. Pinagkainan ng mga anak ko kanina. I have, tawag ito talong, egg. Yung tirapat po ni Kenzie kanina. Nagluto na lang ako ng extra bacon at saka ang avocado. So, may kape ako dito, guys. Naglagay lang ako ng konting milk, which is not supposed to be, but konti lang naman yan. So, at saka I put stevia sugar. So, stevia sugar. Sarap. So, yan, guys, ang aking breakfast. So, kain tayo, guys. Let's eat. Filipino style. Nakatungtong yung paa sa upuan. Yan. Okay. You guys already have your own bacon. Hindihan ko na kayo eh. Ikaw na. Kain tayo, guys. So, today maaga ang uwian ng mga bata. As you can see, guys, meron siyang extra ano today? pagkakitaan. So, taga-dilig siya ng halaman, guys, dito sa Germany. So, meron siya extra pagkakitaan. It's another, ano na rin, ano tawag dito, practice sa kanya, how to make money, how to find money, how to earn money. So, yung boss ng asawa ko, aalis sila, walang magwa-water ng plants nila. So, si Kenzie, kasi malapit lang naman kami sa kanila. It's just a walking distance. Malapit lang, mga ilang bahay lang. From here, 2 bahay lang o 3 bahay lang, guys. Nandyan na. So, si Kenzie ang taga-dilig ng halaman. Sabi ko, go! Minsan nga, sabi ko, namasahe mo ako, binibigyan kita ng pera. This is another way how to make money also. So, I'm excited for my daughter. So, kain muna ako, guys. Bye-bye. Okay. So, good morning, guys. I dropped DJ now, guys. And, my plan for today is I'm gonna do exercise. Kasi kagabi, I eat ramen. So, kailangan kong i-burn yung fat or mag-burn calories today. So, siguro mga 30 minutes lang. Mag-gym ako dito sa loob ng base, guys. So, guys, na-lowbat yung GoPro ko. So, ang plan ko for today, guys, is I'm gonna exercise maybe mga 40 minutes lang sa treadmill or we'll see. Kasi para magkaroon naman ng exercise for this week. Mga 3 weeks na yata akong hindi nag-exercise. So, back to exercise na naman. Dito lang sa loob ng base, guys. It's free lang. Pakita mo lang yung ID mo, military ID. Then, pwede ka na mag-use ng mga exercise machine sa loob ng gym. Okay, guys, pero hindi ko siya ipakita kasi bawal mag-video doon sa loob ng military gym. So, bawal. So, wala tayong video sa loob. Okay. So, I'm here na, guys. Ito yan yung gym dito, guys, sa Vilsec. Yan yung gym. So, even though I'm tired, guys, I need to exercise. Okay, guys, see you. Hi, guys. So, I'm done, guys. Mga 40 minutes lang ako sa treadmill. 40 minutes lang. So, nakasweat din ako kahit konti. Ha? It's nice weather, guys. Mainit. Ang sarap ng araw. So, pasok muna tayo. So, guys, kakapagod, guys. Pagod ako. But at least na kuha ko yung 40 minutes ko na exercise today. At my plan is uuwi, guys. Go home and eat breakfast. Makakapagod. Okay, guys, see you. So, guys, I'm home na, guys. Ito ang aking breakfast / lunch. Si Age. Hello. Nag-ano ako, guys, nag-exercise, nag-video ako kanina. Nag-video. Nag-exercise, nag-gym ako kanina. Ayan ang aking breakfast lunch. Ang kapatid ko ang pinakamaganda sa amin. Ayan. Say hi.
Hello, mga guys. Kapi.
Hello, mga guys. Kabusit.
So, yan guys, ang update ko. Mamaya guys, magluto ako ng sinigang. Ay, hindi pala. Paksyo na bangus. See you guys. Sakain muna ako guys. So, hello guys. Hello people. Nakauwi na ako. Pick up kay DJ ulit guys. Siyempre, yan yung routine natin everyday. Kahapon pala guys, yung boss ng asawa ko, dyan nung malapit sa bahay namin, nagbigay siya ng mga pananim niyang tomato guys. Ang sarap nito guys. Super sweet. Ay, not super sweet, but it tastes like, alam niyo yung lasa na, ano tawag sa atin? Yung ano ba? Yung kinakain na tino-tino sa Ilonggo. Tino-tino. Parang ganitong lasa niya guys. Ang sweet guys. Sarap. So, ngayon, meron akong natira. Ito pala Thai chili daw. Thai chili daw ito binigay. Kasi yung asawa niya, ang boss ng asawa ko is Thailander. Ang asawa is German. So, ito guys, binigyan ako ng konting Thai chili. Tapos, may mga ano ko dito. Ginger. Meron din akong dilaw na luya. Ito, onion. Garlic, onion. Konting talong, konting green leaves onion, at saka yung okra. So, ang dinner ko guys is Jaran! Pumunta ako sa loob ng base kanina after ko nag-exercise. So, ayan, magpakshoot tayo ng ano tawag dyan? Nalimutan ko. Ano tawag dito? Mockfish! Or bangos. There you go. So, yan ang aking dinner. Of course, si Kenzie guys, mahilig yan siya sa mga ganitong ulam-ulam. Pero si DJ, very picky yan. Very picky eater. So, syempre, malabong kakain niya ng ganyan. So, yan yung dinner for tonight. Dinner for tonight. So, syempre, ang gagawin natin is ayan. So, diba guys, yung iba sa atin, pag nag-open ng tawag dito, nung tinai or yung stomach ng bangos, diba, medyo, ano tayo dito, tawag dito, careful, kasi may part na, ay, akala ko abdo na. Yung part, diba na, yung abdo, guys, pag na ano daw yun, pag nabutas daw yun, magiging mapait yung ating niluluto. So, ngayon, hindi ko naman nakita. Ito guys, ito yung abdo. This one. Kita nyo guys, this one. It's the gallbladder. So, you have to be careful when you take it out. Yung iba, sinasahog pa nila to guys back. Pag may sabaw, sa sinabawan, sinasahog nila. They put it back. They just clean it. Yan, kinakain niya ng iba. Yan. So, ito guys, we have to be careful na hindi siya ma-punctured. We should be careful not to puncture this because no matter, this black one, because no matter how you cook it properly, if this one is punctured, it make your dish very bitter. Guys, maghiwa na tayo ng ating mga
Tawag dito yung mga pangsahog. Kasi nga paksiw. Medyo hindi masabaw masyado. So, yan. Lagay na natin yung isda natin. Ilagay natin yung isda natin. So, may asyuete din ako dito, guys. Lagyan ko ng asyuete. Tapos, lagyan natin ng dahon ng bay leaves. Ayan. Normally, hindi naman talaga ako naglalagay ng dahon ng bay leaves. What are you doing?
More carrot.
You want more?
Yeah.
Oh, careful. Oh, here. So, normally, guys, hindi naman talaga ako naglalagay ng bay leaves. Siya, guys, ng hot water. So, yan, lagyan natin ng vinegar. Yan. Parang asim. And then, meron ako dito tawag dito, guys. Ito yung parang, ito, guys, ang tawagan nito, guys. Yung ano siya, yung ewan ko, guys. Yan, basta. Comment down below, guys. Nalimutan ko na, guys. Ito, guys. Yan. Comment down below kung anong pangalan nito. Nalimutan ko. Ito yung pinaglilihian ko kay DJ before. Yung buntis ako kay DJ. Nako! Ito yung gusto kong kainin lagi. Siyempre, mag-gloves tayo kasi kakapit dyan sa kuko ko yung asyuete. Kakapit dyan siya sa aking kuko. So, mag-gloves tayo, guys. Ano? Ayan. Ayan, guys, oh. Ayan. So, ilalagay natin yan. Ayan. So, ready na natin siya isalang. Isda. Pakuluan lang, guys. Okay. So, Daddy's here. And my GoPro just turned off. So, Daddy's here. And this little one here. Always laying down there on the dirt. Don't go home inside and shake it off here inside the house. I was pissed off.
What was funny though is when you were sitting there talking on your camera earlier.
Hold on.
Leila, move. There, girl.
Okay.
This.
I know.
So she hops up on me like this, but then she's like this,
She look at me.
looking at the kitchen.
Yeah, because she knows mommy's gonna stop her.
She,
She said, this mommy's looking at me.
am I in trouble? Nasty.
Hi, Oldie. Oh my God,
Hi, Bobby
Oldie.
girl.
You need a walk, Oldie, today. Look at you, huh?
Your rolls have rolls.
Yeah, you need a walk. Okay?
You're not even lechon anymore. You're jelly roll.
Yeah, look at her.
Look, what's that face for? What's that face for? What? What? You jelly roll now. You jelly roll.
That's why she went on this.
Baboy. Baboy.
Ang butsoy more. You are what you're talking about. Say hi, Daddy.
it?
daddy.
What
Say I
is
love
it?
you, daddy. Say I love you, daddy. Hurry.
Tell me.
Say I love you, daddy.
Tell me,
Not
Oreo.
mommy. Say I love you, daddy. Go to
Wait,
daddy. Go to
tell
daddy.
me. Tell me, what is it?
What is it?
What is it?
Oh, daddy, the oldie. Oh, you're careful, or Layla, your hips.
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, let me check my thing. Oh,
Oh my God.
of course. Ano? Talong? Ayan. Lagyan ko rin pala siya ng konting tubig, guys. Kasi nalimutan ko pala maglagay ng tubig. Konti lang. Kasi masyadong maano, diba? Marami, ano tawag dito, yung vinegar. Yan, nilagay ko na yung talong. So yan na guys, yung tubig medyo mababa na. Ilagay ko na yung ating, parang ng ano. Ilagay ko na yung ating okra. Ay, yung okra natin na nagdikit-dikit dahil frozen. Ayan. Hi, Nak. So, lagay ko na yung, guys, maglalagay din ako ng oil. Virgin oil. Extra virgin. Olive oil. Virgin oil. Di pala. Olive oil pala, guys. So, yan. Para medyo ano din. Yum, yum, yum. Diba? So, tikman muna natin, guys, yung ano, yung asim, kung tama lang. Tikman. Tama lang yung asim, guys, pero yung salt, dagdagan natin. Bango, guys. Manyaman. Sabi ko nga ilagay ko tong taba ng ano, bacon. Taba ng bacon yan eh, kaninang umaga. Ano kaya ilagay ko, guys, no? Para medyo may taba-taba siya. Lagyan natin. Taba ng bacon. Kasi niluto ko to kanina. Ayan. O, diba? So, guys, tikman natin, guys. Ayan na, guys. So, tikman natin. Hala, guys. Ang sarap. Manamis-namis siya. Yan, hindi naman ako naglagay ng ano, ng sugar. I didn't put any sugar at all kasi bawal sa akin ng sweet. Ito ay dahil siguro sa sinasabi ko yung fresh na tomato, guys. Ito, oh. Yan. Yan. Ang sarap, guys. In fairness. Hala, ang sarap. Guys, nakagagana talaga siya, guys. So, dahil rice is life, ngayon, dahil low carb diet ako, guys, ito yung aking kakainin. Ayan. Shirataki noodles. Ay, ba't noodles ito? Noodles? Mali ibang nakuha ko. Shirataki rice style para siya, guys. So, ito yung i-partner ko mamaya sa aking, paksiyo na isda. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Luto na guys. Okay na din itong aking shirataki rice. So, kakain na tayo guys. I have to eat before matapos yung 6 o'clock guys. Kasi, naka-intermittent fasting din ako guys. So, I start eating at 10. Mas-stop siya ng 6 p.m. So, yes. Ayan. Ang dami ko guys nilagay guys. So, ito na guys. Kunti na lang yung sabaw niya. Ayan. Nalubat ako guys. So, ayan. Oh my God. May mga sauce. Ayan. Dinamihan ko na yung okra. Ito guys. Ayan. Tayo na guys. Ayun, gamitin ko na lang yan. The rest is for Kenzie. Ayan, dami kong pagkain. Lapang kong lapang. Taste test tayo guys. Mauna ako kain sa kanila today. Mainit. My craving satisfied. Nit. Ito guys, oh. Nakikita niyo guys. Ayan. Ito yung belly ng isda. Mag-ingat lang tayo guys kasi pag kumakain ng bangus, we have to be careful because milkfish is very delicious fish but has a lot of anong tawag yan? Anong tawag dito? Ito, may matinik. I don't know that in English. Sarap guys. Yun nga lang. Daddy.
Yes, sir.
Try this one. I put the what you call this one there?
Oh, the gherkins?
You call it gherkins?
The small pickles, right?
Pickle. The pickle pala.
Yeah, they call them gherkins.
Guys, kain tayo guys. Talong.
Delicious. Happy.
Guys, thank you for watching guys and follow my video today, my day to day in my life as a mom. So don't forget to like and subscribe guys to my YouTube channel. Kain muna tayo guys. Okay guys, see you. Bye-bye. Guys, I just want to show you. Oh boss! Tingnan mo naman guys, busog na busog ako guys. I'm so full.
And satisfied.
What?
You're full and satisfied by your food.
Excuse me. Excuse me. What is that thing? Excuse me.
Not very ladylike.
Oh, Oreo's looking.
Get her, Pops. Oh, come on. Go get her. Get her. Oh, go.
What you want? What you want? Okay, guys.
Her hard.
Okay, guys. Makita ko lang yung plates ko, guys. Ayan.